Hi guys, this is an update on my custom PDA project. This new Mk.2 device is a design iteration of this red one that was featured on a Hackaday. And those devices are trying to replicate the user experience of these old PDAs like handspring visor here from early 2000s. My PDA is a bit smaller than the handspring device, but it's a bit thicker. Now let's have a closer look at the device. On the top there is a stylus silo. There's also SD card slot and a notification LED. On the front there is a LCD screen, buttons and a power button. On the back there is a speaker, there is a reset button, and also there are battery compartment doors which can be removed, and there's a Nokia BL5C battery inside. If we remove the battery, we can see the microcontroller that runs the device, and the internal expansion connector and the programming connector. So on the bottom there is external expansion connector, charging USB port and a charging LED. The bottom expansion connector can be used to connect these hardware expansion modules like this GPS module. Internal expansion connector can be used to further extend the functionality of the PDA, like adding MP3 player with a 3.5mm jack here. Or with this device I added a speaker here and microphone here, and inside there is a SIM 800 GSM module, and it made a full circle and became a smartphone. So that's the hardware, and now we will look at the software. PDA runs a custom operating system. And on a home screen there are buttons for applications and for settings. And settings, we can change time and date. Also, as you can see, the system is now in English also. So time and date settings. In display we can change colors of the UI using this hue, saturation and lightness color selection dialog. We can calibrate the touchscreen using this 7-point calibration routine, and after the test of the calibration we can confirm it. Also there is a slider for the backlight, and backlight can be also controlled from this battery icon in the top bar. There is a settings for turning the sound off. Here in security settings, device password can be added and the device can be locked. And now it will prompt the password. To unlock. In debug, there are miscellaneous system options. Also, there is option to unmount the SD card and the system status screen. Pressing the system button, we can go back to the home screen and we can look at the applications. There is a calendar application that enables you to add some appointment, add some description or something, change the time, save it, go back. There is also a file browser that allows you to browse the files stored on the SD card, like those images, and it will open the image in the image viewer application. This image viewer application can zoom in, zoom to fit, scroll the image, maybe zoom it more, and then scroll. It can also browse the applications and launch them, like this snake game. And we can also edit the application, because all applications are stored on an SD card as text files. So we can modify the application and then run the modified version. And as you can see, there is a modified version of Snake. File browser also allows you to copy, rename, edit, show info on the file or on a folder. There's also a simple note-taking application. And the new thing is the text can be selected and then copied and then maybe pasted. There is a system-wide clipboard for text copying and pasting. Also, there is a clock app with alarm and stopwatch and a timer. In utilities, there is a calculator, there is a task manager, there is a time tracker to track time spent on a project. There is the text editor I showed earlier. There's the image viewer I showed earlier. Okay, time ran out. There is a GPS application for use with the GPS add-on. And And there are also menu editor to edit system menus and like change the icon or something. There's also background changer application, which allows you to choose system background, change it, and then maybe like move the elements on a home screen and save it. And then if we go back to the home screen, there is a new background there. There are also more games, like a new Minesweeper. At which you can place flags and then step on a mine, and yeah, it just works. And there is also a Tetris game. And it's just Tetris. There is a ebook reader to read books in a text format. There's also some like developer examples, like Hello World, like maybe drop down menu and stuff like this. Also, when multiple applications are running, you can show the list of running applications from here and then go maybe back to the file browser or to the text editor or something. It also allows you to close all running applications. So that's it. That's my PDA. Next time we'll maybe take a closer look at the phone version. With its dialer contacts and all the smartphone aspects of this project. So have a nice day and see you in the next video.